Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert low to high resolution image using AI. It's absolutely free. You don't need to log in here. Just drag and drop, then your image are low to high resolution ready. So you can see this is a website link. Then now you can upload your any image or URL, drag and drop. So I upload an image on my computer. You can see this is my image. Then I want to upscale for improve. You can see my image already improved. Then you can improve up to 4x. It's a high resolution. Wow, you can see this is a 4K and 4x improve enhanced quality. So if I want to download this photo, just click here for download photo. Then your photo are ready for view. This company also provide their mobile app. It is available on Google Play Store and Apple Store. So if you are interested to use your mobile phone, so I recommend you download for this app. So this link I will attach in description below, then check it. So if you are new viewers in the channel, subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. See you again.